What's up, guys? Welcome to another Bulgarian training session. Let me get this straight. I'm really happy with the way the program cycle is going till now because yesterday marks the first time I hit a week on this program, and I was able to increase all my lifts. And more specifically, I was happy with the front squat and the overhead press. I was able to add 5 pounds on both of these exercises, and the reps were really fast and smooth, which is something that I was really surprised about because earlier when I used to do 135 on the front overhead press, I was able to do 135, but I did not have the speed. If you see the way I am able to do the rep during in the 135, I'm not sure how the speed came, but there was the speed was there. This is the rep 135. I was really skeptical. I knew I could get it, that's not an issue, but I was more concerned about the speed. I think that I have mastered the form better. There you go, boom, it went really fast. Again, front squat, one of the reasons I'm really worried on increasing weight on the front squat is because I don't have safety spotter here. I don't have spotter arms. This is neither a power rack, it's just squat stand. So I really need to be careful before adding weight. I'm trying to increase the pauses between in the reps, and that's why you see the rep me doing trying to do the rep slow. 135, no big deal, went really fast. Again, one more thing with the front squat is it fatigues your upper back really well, more than the back squat, which is typically puts a lot more pressure on your lower back. This is more of a upper back dominant movement, because even if you look at the anatomy of it, you're holding the bar up on your traps, which means your back needs to be a great stabilizer of the weight. This was the peak set. This is definitely going to be my daily minimum going forward. The rep, I was happy with the rep, and this was okay. It was not fast, but I was happy with the rep. There you go. I go down on the rep. Yeah, it went relatively fast. There's nothing to complain about. Again, bench press. Bench press, I think I need to work a lot on my technique, because until I got the bench, I was doing a lot of floor press. I got really good on the floor press, and now my bench press sucks. Obviously, I need to develop my technique. I think I'm using more of my delts. Of course, my front delt is a stabilizer, but I that is something that I consciously need to develop my technique. Although I'm using a close grip, I really need to start tucking in my elbows, and trying to pull the scapula behind while pressing, which is something I need to do. 135, no big deal. It went smooth off the floor. Big pause. There you go. That's it. It went through. Now we move to the peak set 185. I know 185 will not be a lot of weight, especially the guys who are benching 600 700 pounds, but my goal is to reach to 315, and we will reach there slowly. 185 is halfway there, and I know it will take me a few years, but let's see how long we can run Bulgarian, and how we can increase our strength here. Until now, the rep was really sloppy, as you can see there. It's because like I said, I'm used to floor press, and this increasing my range of motion is something new to my body, and I obviously need to get used to it. Again, going to weighted chin ups, just doing 3 rep sets to balance any muscle imbalances. Yeah, weighted chin ups. I'm just hanging a 15 kilo dumbbell on my leg, and I was literally struggling to get 3 reps. I don't think it's a back weakness. I think it's more of something to do with my grip, because the grips here on the chin up are fat grips, so it is really difficult for me, to hold grip there and do the chin-ups. On the other hand, it's going to really increase my grip strength, which is something we definitely need, because it has no knurling, and it will definitely increase my grip strength and not damage my my wrists a lot, and I can hammer this exercise every day. There are few more exercises which I did, which is more of metabolic conditioning and general physical preparedness exercises, which is barbell step ups and cable pull through. Sorry, banded pull through. Obviously, I'm not filming those because if I start filming those, the video will be well over 15-20 minutes, and that is definitely something we don't want to do because I obviously don't want to upload such long videos. Um, I think 5 to 6 minutes is relatively okay for a video of this size. Um, let's see if next week if we are able to add more weight to the lifts. But until now, I'm really happy. Obviously, I my main goal to jump to Bulgarian is to increase my strength and also to master technique. Um, but the way the progress is going, I'm really happy with the way the lifts are going. And me vlogging this every day, I'm able to see on the form on my lives as to how can I better my form, because that's the ultimate goal, is to get your form on point as much as you can to avoid any injuries. And once we start doing the higher up sets, we can develop on this form with increased strength. All right guys, see you again on my next vlog.